Paylocity is a cloud-based HR and payroll platform that allows employees to manage work-related tasks such as checking pay stubs, requesting time off, and accessing benefits. Here's how to use it effectively. Log into your account. Access Paylocity through the Paylocity website or download the Paylocity mobile app. Use your assigned company ID, username, and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click Register New User to set one up. Check your dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of your account, including payroll, schedules, and announcements. Navigate using the menu or icons for specific tasks like viewing pay history, benefits, or time tracking. View pay information. Click on Pay to view pay stubs, tax documents, or make direct deposit updates. Request time off. Go to the time off section to submit leave requests, check balances, or track approval statuses. Clock in or clock out. If your company uses Paylocity for time tracking, use the time and attendance feature to clock in, out, or view your hours. Access benefits and learning. Use the benefits tab to review or enroll in insurance. Explore the learning management system if available for training.